So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix Glassy Control Center in iOS 26 on iPhone. So basically, in iOS 26, you get a new liquid glass design. For example, if I open the control center, then as you can see here, this is more glassy now. However, many people are not liking this update. So let's see how you can reduce the glassy effect on the control center. So for this, open the settings app on your iPhone. Now here tap on accessibility. Now here under the vision, tap on display and text size. Now here you will see this option called reduce transparency. Turn on this toggle next to it. Now once you do this, open the control center. And as you can see here, the control center is no more glassy. So this is how I can fix Glassy Control Center in iOS 26 on iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.